And somebody had told me the other day when I was getting gas that they're going to go down. So what I'm going to pay at the pump is going to be, but where is the opportunity, or is there an opportunity in this whole oil thing that's happening?
Yeah, so oil's tied to a lot of the industries, right? So if you own an oil stock or something like that, those things have been hurt.
Okay.
If all of a sudden people are not flying and they don't need as much oil and those type of things.
People aren't driving because they're hunkering into their house.
For the average person, though, having low oil, whether that be heating costs or whether that be driving their car up north and it's less expensive or whatever, for the average person, it's actually a positive for them in their life. So yeah, this thing's going to fluctuate out. You saw Trump talk about they're buying back a bunch of oil. They're buying oil from U.S. companies to keep them afloat.